In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the client portal. Once you are logged in as a client, you can select the drop-down and click on Client Portal. From here, you are able to go ahead and navigate the full client portal. You can see all of the account settings and information. You can see your care team listed, as well as find any additional care through the Treehouse directory. You are able to view appointments. So if you have any appointments that you have sent, you can either join that appointment and get all of the information, view your appointment history, as well as request any new appointments with that clinic if they have enabled their online booking. You can also go ahead and view your health profile. This information, when you do update it, is automatically reflected to your provider's view, keeping all of the information up to date. So you can edit your demographics, you can add any contact information, emergency contacts, addresses, allergies, and medications. You can also go ahead and access any forms that your provider has sent to you and complete the forms as well. You can also view any submitted forms that you've already submitted, so you are able to keep track and view the history of those forms. If there are any documents that has been shared with you, you are able to go ahead and view those documents under the Documents section. If you click on the View Document link, you can also download those documents to your desktop or mobile device. Under the Payments link, you can see any invoices that need to be paid and are outstanding. And using the credit card, debit card, or Amex that you have added to your account through your wallet, you can go ahead and select the card you would like to use and click on the Pay Now button, which will then pay that invoice. And as I mentioned, under the Wallet tab, you are able to go ahead and add any new payment methods, whether that be a debit card or a credit card. And that is the full overview of the client portal.